Good morning from the South Pole Inn. First, I'm gonna dip these neglected toes in the water. Oh man, that feels so good. That's a good breakfast. On the road again, I want to say a massive thank you to the South Pole Inn. Amazing. They just took us in, told us no problem, just camp up at the back of the building. We made 2 nice points last night. So we're going to hit the road now. We're going to get up on top of the trail. We're going to find a beautiful spot on top of the ridge, and we're going to do our last night of wild camping. It's supposed to be a beautiful night, so hopefully we get a nice sunset and then a lovely sunrise. So good day to be alive. Wait for this. Oh, oh my God. How blessed am I today? Wow. This is incredible. Do you know what? Hiking is such a mind game. Yesterday we went over 7 peaks in lashing rain, thick fog, couldn't see a thing, our hoods up all wrapped around our face, and all you're left with is the acid burn in the legs, the pain in the legs, and your own thoughts, and that's when it turns into a mind game. Today is equally as hard, and I actually haven't stopped smiling yet. Just looking around the place, it's absolutely just amazing. So we've come to a stage where we're running out of water, and on the top of the mountain we don't have a lot of options besides Lake Dove down the bottom, the Black Lake, which I can't see, even though look at all the scum on the top of it. So we found a way better source. So this is what we're drinking today. I'll show you how. So after you get your bottle of water, which I won't say it looks clear, but all the stuff has gone out of it, get your Life Systems tablet. It's a chlorine tablet. Pop it in, and for a half an hour you'll have nice bog tasting water, but it's going to be good for you. Well, not good for you, but it's not going to kill you. Maybe. So looking for potential camping spots tonight. So we are looking up along there maybe to get this view. But what is really hammering it home that we should stay here is We found a spring. We don't have to eat or we don't have to drink Guinness coloured water tonight. So we're going to fill up here and let's try find a spot then. Most beautiful sunsets I've ever seen in my entire life. What a fantastic experience. No words can describe. Where we're sleeping tonight. My Vango Cairngorm 100 Trek. Amazing tent and light, very warm, spacious enough, but it's perfect for this expedition. Craig as the Ferrino Solo 1. It's an incredible looking tent. Really, really is. It's the first time I'm going to be on top of a mountain with absolute clear skies. I can't wait to see the stars. Good morning. It's 5 to 6. I'm gonna get up for the sunrise. Our final day to make it to Dingle. And we get up to this. What a way to start the day. On the road again to our final destination, which is the Dingle. Let's see what the day brings us. Can't believe we're nearly there. Oh. Dingle. I can see the boats in the harbour. I can see a burger and a chip and a sausage sandwich and a pint of Guinness. That's all I want. That's all I want. All in the same glass. God for that. That was amazing. One of the best journeys of my life. My God, do I feel happy. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. Until next time, stay safe on the mountain.